Ready, men? Move out! Run, Russians! Come on!
Good luck.
Men! Stop is here today! God! On my signal, you will climb the ladders and head into no man's land! You will attempt to reach and take the German trenches, where you will wait for reinforcements! Ladders! Come on, lads. Let's go. Come on! Ladders! Fix bayonets! Let's go, men! Come on! Go on, boys! Go on, here! Come on, lads! Come on! Get up here! All of you now! Come on! Get up there! You! Up! Come on! Stop standing around!
Leave me when you get up that ladder now!
You! Get up here now!
What are you doing? If you don't get to the top of that ladder in the next 3 seconds, I'm going to have you caught and stuck the tires! Get up that ladder now! Get up! Do you know what's going to happen if you don't start climbing that ladder right now? Do you? Come here! You're getting out of this trench and up that ladder even if I have to shoot you myself and drag you over! Get up that ladder now! Soldier! Take cover!